Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then in this video I will be sharing very beautiful, very mesmerizing and eye-catching designs of hand embroidery face masks. Yes friends, from my today's video you will get creative, amazing, latest and easy to make floral hand embroidery design ideas. But friends, the basic focus of our today's video is very stylish and creative latest hand embroidery face mask design ideas. All of these design patterns are very beautifully designed with exquisite collection of color combination of threads and with a very beautiful and trendy tricky patterns and colors of fabric. But friends, you can use these very beautiful, eye-catching and stylish design ideas of face mask embroidery into a number of ways, for a variety of ways, for a number of reasons. That is, one by one I would enlist them, because in this video you will be seeing sewn face masks by representing a actual and visual representation of how these embroidery patterns would look onto face masks. But you can use these patterns, as I have said below, for a variety of reasons. Friends, my channel is about all latest and trendy fashionable design ideas that you can make and implement by sitting at your home only by watching these very trendy and beautiful design patterns. But my main focus and my main purpose is always to entertain you and to give you more accurately upcoming, latest and easy to make design ideas. I always prefer to give trendy ideas for beginners, for home sitters, for hand art lovers and fashion trendy ideas lover. The whole entire pattern represents its beauty in a number of ways. So friends, now we will not extend it further or exaggerate it further, and while moving back to our details and our famous patterns, I would give you an idea that friends, whole of this entire collection is very pretty and you can make it by sitting into your homes. Yes, you would be guessing that I am again and again focusing on one thing, because my main purpose is to persuade you to kindly do try one of these patterns and you would be amazed by your activity by following these exact color combination and embroidery patterns. Yes friends, and the most important thing and the most important part of our video, that how you can use these very beautifully designed patterns, how you can mend them according to your taste, according to your ease or according to your choices of interest. Yes friends, you are thinking absolutely right. That is, you can use these patterns for designing your baby frocks, baby dress designs, for designing the onto your hand knitted handmade woolen stuff like hand knitted gloves, scarves, head warmers, neck warmers, stoles, shawls, dupattas, shirts, cardigans, sweaters, high necks, round necks, t-shirts, tees and much more, into a wide perspective of these. But the domain, but the idea, the perspective, the scope of these embroidery design ideas is not only limited to this friends. Please hear it with a full focused attention, that the scope is not limited to this, but you can use these ideas for a variety of ways. Variety of ways means that you can use them for designing your cushion covers, pillow covers, home accessories like table covers, coffee table cover, iron stand cover, round table cover, your bedroom chair cover, your dressing cover, your side table covers and much more. But we are not limited to this only. You can also design these onto your home accessories, your fashionable, your everyday use accessories like mobile covers, like handbags, like hand knitted footwear, like onto your towels, onto your handkerchiefs, onto your kitchen accessories like pot covers and much more. So friends, I hope that my today's video was helpful for you, was proven to be creative for you, and you have enjoyed a lot and entertained by watching my today's content and have got crazy, stylish and yet amazing ideas, and you have make up your mind that how you are going to design your homemade stuff by following my these exact design patterns. So friends, if you really like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then friends, what are you waiting for? very creative DIY type ideas based, fashionable, trendy, classy, opinion suggestioner based channel would not be found anywhere so easily. So kindly stay on my platform, stay tuned with me, and keep watching my content. I will soon be back with you along with some new trendy and stylish ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your health, and kindly do try these patterns onto your face masks specifically, because masks are a sure way to get rid from pollution, dust, seasonal viruses, COVID-19, and much more health benefits. So with this, allow me to leave, spread positivity, and be a cause of positive motivation. We will soon be back with you along with some trendy ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves a lot, and love your loved ones.